Hi students, this is class 12 and this is chapter number 4 determinant, lecture 3. Topic is properties of determinant. So we are going to discuss the properties of determinant. Maybe this topic is deleted from the CBSE. Instead of this I have to teach you, so please try to understand because this is very important for your knowledge point of view. So please see property number 1. The value of determinant, the value of determinant, the value of determinant remains unchanged, the value of determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. If its rows and columns are interchanged. So this is the very important property. If we interchange the rows and column of a determinant, then value of determinant remains unchanged. So suppose let delta is equal to a determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. And if we consider a delta 1 another determinant such as rows and columns are interchanged, that means in this determinant those who are the rows, in this determinant they are columns, that means A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3, then delta is nothing but equal to delta 1. If we expand it, in the verification it is already given, if we expand it, delta and delta 1, then you will get the same value, there is no change. So how? In verification already given, how will we expand it? We expand this by row, this determined by this row and this determined by this column, then obviously you have to see they both are equal. So this is the property number first. Now there is a question, we have to verify it. If we consider delta is equal to 2 minus 3, 5, 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4 and 1, 5 minus 7. Okay, so if we expand it, so we will get delta is equal to, from any row or any column you have to expand it. So 2 and this is 2 into this row and this column are deleted, then this is 0 minus 20 minus of minus 3, that means plus 3, deleting this row and this column, minus 42 and minus 4, and this is plus 5, deleting this row and this column, 30 minus 0, we will get minus 40 and plus 3 into minus 46 and plus 5 into 30, this is minus 40 and this is 3 6 18, 3 4s are 24 and 1 25, that means minus 258 plus 150. So after solving this we will get 8 5492 plus 150. If we subtract it, then you will get 8 4 1. So minus 148 is the expansion for this determinant. If we interchange row and column and we expand it, then we'll get the same answer. So this is minus 138. See, there is a correction. 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12 and 130, 138. So this is 178 and this is minus 28. Now we are just going to interchange the rows and column and then expand this particular determinant, then see what will happen here. So we just consider a determinant delta 1 such as 261 minus 305 and 54 minus 7, and we expand it, we will get delta 1 as 2, leaving this row and this column 0 420 minus 6, deleting this row and this column minus 28 plus 21 and minus 25 and 1, deleting this row and this column, will get minus 12. So this is 40 and this is minus 3 minus plus 18 and minus 12. Okay, 2 into minus 3 plus 18, this is 6 and 1, this and this, minus 12. There is some mistake. So this is also 28. You verify it, you will get the solution. Okay, maybe some mistakes are there. Plus 2, then leaving this particular row and column, 4 5s are 20 minus 0 20, and this is minus 6, leaving this row and this column, plus 21 and minus of 25. This is minus 4. So minus 6 4s are 24 and this is 1, deleting this row and this column, 3 4s are okay. Let us see. Next one. Now property number 2. Okay. Property number 2 is, if any two rows or columns of determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinants are changes. If any two row, property number 2, if any two row or columns of a matrix are interchanged, then sign of determinant changes. If any two rows or columns of a matrix determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant are changed. So suppose delta is equals to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. If any two row or any two columns, suppose we have, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So if we interchange R1 by R2, suppose this is delta 1, then this becomes minus of, suppose delta 1 is A2 B2 C2, A1 B1 C1, A3 B3 C3, then delta is nothing but minus of delta 1. Okay, so this is nothing but minus of delta. Sign are changed. This is nothing but minus of delta. So delta is nothing but minus of delta 1. Delta is nothing but minus of delta 1. That means after interchanging, sign were interchanged. Now verify it. Delta is equal to delta is equal to 2 3 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. If we expand it, we will get minus 28 because the last example. And if we interchange the row and column, delta 1 is equal to 604. R1 is interchanged by R2, then we will get 2 minus 3 5 and 1 5 7. So we will get 6 into minus 21 and minus 25. Okay, so this is 6 this is 6 into this thing, and now minus 0 0 is only 0, and 4 plus 4 into, leaving this row and this column, 2 5s are 10 minus plus 3 13. So this is 6 into uh, minus 21 and this 26, 40, 46 into 6, and this is, you'll get 6, 21 minus 5, 5 is 25, 46 minus 46 and plus 4 into 13, 0 is already gone, and 4, and this is 2 5s are 10, minus plus 3, okay, 13 4s are 52. So this will become 6 6s are 36 and 6 4s are 24 and 3 27, and this plus 52. So this is also 28 actually, maybe some mistake are there in this particular misprinting is there, because it will not come. Okay, see, so this is 28 actually, and this whole, if you see, delta 1 is nothing but minus of delta, so second one is verified. Now we are going to see the next one, property number 3. Property number 3, this is, if any two rows or of a determinant are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. This is the most important property. If any two row or columns of a determinant are identical, then value of determinant is 0. For example, A1, B1, C1, K times A1, K times B1, K times C1, A2, B2, C2, okay. If we see, then these two rows are identical, that means the value of delta is 0. Identical means same. If we take K as a common, then from that particular row K will be common and the value of determinant should be 0. So next, property number 4 on property number 4 onwards we shall discuss in next lecture. So thank you.